Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me here today. I'm excited to share my journey into high performance computing, my current role at Arkansas High Performance Computing Center. Besides that, I would like to share some advice on skills development and landing that first job in HPC admin or machine learning engineer. My path has been shaped by a passion for computing, education, and research. And I hope my experiences can offer some insights for your own career journey. My interest in computing started in 2009 with learning how to use Linux based operating systems and system administration of these operating systems. Over time, I shifted my focus to network programming, especially programming chat applications, and even moving forward, having computers talk to each other. The next step was building better algorithm design. I also did have a chance to attend coding competitions to show my programming skills, problem solving, and as well as algorithmic design for scientific computing problems. One of the key achievements was participating in a coding competition by optimizing sorting algorithms and leveraging different compilers to improve performance. I got a ranking in this competition. This was an early exposure to HPC principles for me. During my time in college, I was not limited with the courses given. I always looked for other resources to learn, practice, gain insights, and make them part of my toolset. Data science was one of them that sparked my interest. I wanted to get into this field because, with the available compute resources and a laptop, you could easily learn this field and even apply to the problem. Python ecosystem libraries become very popular at that time, like today, and it was also the time that these tools like IPython Notebook, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib just started emerging. In my college, it was mandatory to have at least two internships. I wanted to do an internship in the field of data science, but it wasn't available at corporate at the time. That's why I found internships in big data technologies like SAP ABAP. It's a German-made big data storage and processing software that has been used by thousands of corporates worldwide. In 2012 and 2013, mobile app development was trending. So I wanted to learn this technology and build an iOS application. One of my professors offered me a position in a project called eMuseum that would provide historical insights to users visiting cultural sites. Although developing a software and seeing many people using this app daily were encouraging, I found out my real passion was in academia. I enjoyed teaching, mentoring, and PhD research, landing me to pursue graduate education. I applied for study abroad scholarship, which was awarded to only around 140 recipients out of more than 1,000 applications. This opportunity changed my life, and I moved to the United States in April 2014 to get my master's and PhD degrees. I finally completed my PhD in May 2024 and accepted the position at Arkansas High Performance Computing Center. From the slides, you'll see that I did have chance to work on different corporate companies and I gained experience over different projects. Some of the projects were patented and some of them were recognized and being used by millions of Americans every day. HPC admin and AI facilitator brings multiple disciplines together to use them in the job to accomplish your tasks. As an AI facilitator, it's imperative that I must keep myself up to date with the state of the art AI and its derivative domains, including computer vision, audio and speech processing, language processing, and their capabilities to solve scientific problems in different disciplines. I was already proficient in C and Python, programming languages. But after I started this position at HPCC, I realized that I need to be proficient in other programming languages as well, including Julia, R, Chapel, and others that are being used in the different softwares. As part of my daily duties, I provide technical assistance to the researchers in various domains. Sometimes they tackle with different technical issues which I wasn't familiar with at first, but quickly I learned that I become expert and provided solutions in shorter amount of time. It may seem very difficult, however, after some time it becomes fantastic that you feel accomplished and solving problems for others, which makes their lives easier and accelerate the research forward. It's a proud moment for myself. HPC domain is changing every day, like AI, and you need to keep users up to date with these changes. Hardware changes, software changes, and together changes. With this motivation, I build technical training and technical documentation and organize workshops for our users. To be able to provide the same technical training to all users, I organize workshops in multiple universities, campuses across the state of Arkansas. Therefore, HPC can help users to accelerate their computation, to accelerate their research, and learn the important steps to use this technology in their later professional life. Some HPC users require technical support that involves me being part of their research. This is fascinating because I learn different domains. In addition to that, I'm solving problems in these domains. Fast learning, adapting to a new domain, as well as using new special tools to solve problems become a new norm in this position for me. Overall, this role is both technically challenging and as well as fulfilling, allowing me to bridge the gap between researchers and high performance computational resources. It may seem that learning a lot of things at once can be overwhelming and tiresome. The life has taught me that there is an easier way to accomplish this. Here are the points that I can share with you, even offer some easier way on your daily duties or accomplishing tasks in an easier way. If you think that the content you need to learn is not small enough, then split the content into smaller parts. With this way, you are going to spend less time on each task, but overall, you are going to accomplish a larger task overall. You don't need to learn everything at the same time. Schedule your time with the topics to learn. Also, give yourself smaller times to repeat them. Overall, after some time practicing, you are going to see that smaller time repeats will give you a way to accomplish larger tasks. Don't be afraid to start any task. This is going to be the biggest excuse for postponing. Build something tangible with very new skill you acquire. This will help solidify your knowledge and give you a portfolio to showcase. Developing a habit of exploring new tools will help you identify your strengths and find your niche. And the most importantly, if you would like to build a skill and then the portfolio after it, master the fundamentals and make project based learning always part of your daily routine, and as well as become a lifelong learner and then make this habit of your own. Landing the first job in HPC, it wasn't an easy task for me. The job market is very volatile, making it challenging to secure positions in AI, machine learning, HPC, and also the software engineering fields. Many companies are still figuring out whether to invest in traditional approaches or cutting edge AI technologies. Given this uncertainty, here are my recommendations to you all. Build a strong portfolio. Companies value practical experience. Contribute to open source projects. Develop personal projects and then showcase your work in a web page or a portfolio web page that you built yourself. Stay adaptable. Technology is evolving rapidly. Being open to continuous learning will keep you competitive. And network actively. Engage with professionals in your field, attend conferences, and seek mentorship to increase your visibility and opportunities. LinkedIn would be your good friend for this task. In conclusion, my journey into HPC has been shaped by a deep curiosity and a passion for teaching and research. Whether you are starting out or transitioning careers, focus on strong fundamentals, hands on projects, and continuous learning. Stay adaptable and embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to answer any of your questions through email or LinkedIn. Thank you.